This is belongs to which class? It is belongs to which class? Those people who got it, please let me know which class. Everyone give answer. Everyone give answer. First problem belongs to which class? Second problem belongs to which class? Third problem belongs to which class? First problem belongs to which class? Second one is which class? Third one is which class? Can anyone help me? Can anyone help me? Yeah, someone is saying first one. First one is class C. Can you go there? Can you go there? First one, see this one. I think first octet, you have to see the first octet. First octet 200, where? First octet 200 in this area, see. 192 to 223. I think 200 somewhere here. 200 somewhere. It is a class C. It is a class C. It is a class C. Perfect. Can anyone help me now? Second one is which class? Can everyone help me? Second one, which class? Second one is which class? Everyone, please respond. Second one, which class? Everyone. Second one, which class? अरे बोल दो यार, बोल दो यार, बोल दो. Second one is which class? Yeah, I don't know. People not getting it. You only say. With the 8 bits, how 300 possible, yaar? With the 8 bits, how 300 possible? With the 8 bits, listen, with the 8 bits, larger number possible. 2 power 8, 256. 0 to 255. Larger number possible, 255. From where he got 300, yaar? He got from heaven or what? With the 8 bits, how 300 possible? He came from heaven. Is he God or what? Is he God? He came from heaven. Is this IP address came from heaven? So remember now. It is not a IP address. It is not a IP address. It is not a IP address. Because IP address, if you take any octet, you take any octet, maximum 255. You take any octet, maximum 255. Take any octet, maximum 255. So you have to listen. This is the game what you will play. You are seeing first octet only. Yeah, I know. That is the reason I given this. I know this very well. You will do this mistake. I know that is the reason I given. You see first octet. See, if it is valid IP, then see first octet. If it is valid IP address, then see first octet. Invalid, why you see? First of all, verify, is it valid or not? See, no one crossing more than 255. Maximum possibility 255. No one crossing. It is a valid. It is a valid IP address. It is a valid IP address. Next one, which class? It is a valid IP address, okay, but which class? I think this is the last class, E class. If it is a valid IP address, then say class. If it is a valid IP address, then say class. Right. Now I want answer from you. Because of you are really comfortable, only for namesake I am asking. Fourth one, only for namesake I am asking. Only for namesake. Can you help me now? 190, listen everyone now. 192, 192. Which class? One 192, which class? If you have doubt, you can go there. 192. 192. So I think second one, 128 to 191. Third one is 192 to 223. I think third one, class C. First of all, is it valid? First of all, is it valid? Of course, it is a valid. It is a valid and it is a class C. It is valid and it is a class C also. It is a valid and class C. I hope everyone comfortable. I hope everyone see. Yesterday, whatever I said, see. Yesterday I said this. Yeah, listen. Yesterday I said this. Continuation of this. Continuation of this. Continuation of this. Now I want answer from everyone. I want answer from everyone. Please give answer. I want answer from everyone. Everyone can listen. Everyone can listen. I want answer from everyone. Can you help me? Can you help me now? See this. See this. What is this value? Forget about this part. Forget about this part. Forget this part. Forget this part. What is this value? Only 0, so 0. Can you help me now? What is this part? 6 bits are there. 6 bit. 7th bit, 8th bit. So 0 to 7. It is the 7th bit. It is the 7th bit. 0 to 7, 7th bit. 7th bit means 2 power 7. 128. So it is the 7th bit. It is the 6th bit. It is the 5th bit. Can you help me now? What is this value? Forget about this. Forget about this. Forget about this. Can you help me now? Right? I think 7th bit 128. 6th bit is 64. 128, 64. I think which will goes to 192. So 192. Now come here now. It is going to be 7th bit, 6th bit, 5th bit, 4th bit. So do this one. What is the answer? It is going to be how much? 192 plus 32. I think it is going to be 224. At the 224. This is going to be 240. Forget about this. Forget about this. Will give minimum. This will give maximum. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this. Right? That left out. See, remaining bits don't bother. Remaining bits don't bother. They will give further values. They will give further values. Remember, these will give starting. Can you help me now? This person starting from 0. Listen. This person starting from 0. This person starting from 128. That means, listen. Above one is starting from 0. This one starting from 128 means until 127 is there. This person starting from 128, but this one is 192. He is starting from 192 until 191. Above one is there. This person is starting from 224 and before the 223 until 223. This person is there. This person is starting from 240. Before is 239. Before is 239. From 224 to 239. Right? So previous one is there. This is by default. Last one 255. Everything same. Do whatever way you like. So these are the people who are deciding minimum values. These are the people who are deciding minimum values. Minimum value decided by these people. These people are deciding minimum values. These people are deciding the minimum values. Please careful. Right? Fine. Perfect. Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubts? Can I move further? Can I move further? If you don't have any doubt, I can move further. If you don't have any doubt, I can move further. Yeah, I can move now. I think everything is perfect. I can move now. I can move now. Everything is perfect now. I can move now. Right. If everything is perfect, I can move now. Almost you got it. Almost you got it. Almost you got it. And one more, see, people are watching the lecture and they are going. Are you are watching and you are going. Who will subscribe? Yeah. Are don't you subscribe the channel? Don't you subscribe? Don't you think it is your responsibility? Coming and watching and going. Coming and watching and going. Okay, you will listen. I will teach. You will listen. You don't subscribe. Who will subscribe? Your bhaiya will subscribe or what? Papa will subscribe. Or mama will subscribe. Who will subscribe, yaar? Are subscribe karo yaar. Click on the subscribe. Are people watching going. Are who will subscribe? Are can't you click? Someone is saying promotion started. Where is the promotion? Can't you click one time? Can't you click one time like this? One time like this. Can't you click it? Are man, click yaar. Like also, yeah, exactly. Priyosh is saying like also. Are please subscribe and like yaar. People watching going. Then your papa will subscribe. My papa will subscribe. Who will subscribe? Some Arshi is saying, I already paid member. Can't you subscribe the YouTube? Can't you subscribe the YouTube? Yeah. YouTube, can't you click? I am a paid member. I don't subscribe. Can't you click once? Are Harsho. Can't you click one time? Chalo. Are click man. Those people who are not subscribing, go to hell. Those people who are not subscribing, go to hell. If anyone is not subscribing, God is seeing from top. If anyone is not subscribing, God is seeing from top. He will note down everything. He will note down everything. Those people who are not clicking the subscribe button, God is seeing from top. Are Harsho, God is seeing from top. Are people not subscribing? Let's see. Fine. So fine. Can you come here now? Can you come here now? See this one. Can you come here now? So everything is ready. Can you come here now? So if you are listen. If you are preparing for 2025, if you are preparing for 2025, you can join the crash course. If you are preparing for 2025 practice purpose, you can join RIC course. If you are preparing for 2026, 2027, you can join either 1 year course or 2 year course. 2025 purpose, if you want to join, if you want to start crash course, you can. 2025 RIC course, you can join practice course. 2026 or 27, 1 year course or 2 year course, you can join. Right? Fine. Yeah, perfect. That's okay. Now let me move to my next story. Everything is ready now. Let's move to next. Everything is ready. Let's move to next. Now see everyone. Everyone see. Just I want answer from everyone. Everyone say. IP address purpose. Please see this. IP address purpose. 32 bits. IP address purpose 32 bits. IP address purpose 32 bits. Can you help me now? Total how many IP addresses possible? IP address purpose 32 bits. Total, how many IP addresses possible? IP address purpose 32 bits are there. Total, how many IP addresses possible? With the 32 bits, how many IP addresses possible? Every bit having two choices. Every bit having two choices. So what is the answer? 2 power 32 IP addresses possible. Two power 32 IP addresses possible. IP addresses contain 32 bits, so total IP addresses possible is 2 power 32 IP addresses possible. Right. Now I think everyone fine. Everyone fine. I don't know how many people will give answer. I don't know how many people will give answer. Please help me. Please help me. A class, how many IP addresses? Out of those 2 power 32, A class, how many IP addresses? I want answer from you. B class, how many IP addresses? I want answer from you. Out of those 2 power 32 IP addresses, A class purpose how many IP addresses? B class purpose how many? C class purpose how many? D class purpose how many? E class purpose how many? Please, can anyone guess? Can anyone guess how many? Total IP addresses are 2 power 32. E class purpose how many? D class purpose how many? C class how many? B class how many? A class how many? I want answer from each and every one. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Total IP addresses are 2 power 32. Total IP addresses are 2 power 32. Yeah, I am giving answer. Listen, I am giving answer. Very interesting. Very interesting. Please see this one. Very interesting. Please see this one. In the A class, first bit 0. Listen, in the A class, first bit 0, remaining 31. Remaining 31 people. You write whatever way you like. Total 32 people, right? A class, listen everyone now. Every IP address contains 32 bits. Every IP address contains 32 bits. Out of those 32, in the class A, first bit 0, remaining 31. You can write whatever way you want. What is the answer? I think 31 people, you can write whatever way you want. 2 power 31 IP addresses possible. Only first bit is fixed. First bit fixed. This is one way only. This is the one way. This is the one way, right? I think 0 you have to fix. 0 you have to fix. This is the one way. Remaining 31 people, 2 power 31 ways are there. Every person two choices, but the first person is only one choice. First person is only one choice. 0 should be there. For other people, everywhere two choices. 2 power 31 IP addresses possible. If you go to class B, listen, if you go to class B, first two people are 1 0, fix. Remaining 30 people. You can write whatever way you want. 2 power 30 IP addresses possible. Because 30 people, whatever you want, you can take. See, fixed part, variable part. Variable part will give answer. Variable part will give more answer. Fixed one, I cannot get anything. In the class C, starting with 110. So I think remaining people, if you see 29 people, this is the variable part. Variable people, everywhere two choices, 2 power 29. 2 power 29 IP addresses possible. If you go to class D, first 4 people are fixed. First 4 people are fixed. Remaining 28 people, you can change. Everyone two choices, 2 power 28 IP addresses possible. So out of 2 power 32, 2 power 31 A class, 2 power 30 B class, 2 power 29 C class, 2 power 28 D class. If you see the E class, 4 ones, followed by remaining 28 people. Everywhere 2 choices, 2 power 28. 2 power 28 IP addresses possible. So can you help me now? Every IP contain, listen, you only say Priyoshi, it is a class or B class or C class. Every class contain 4 octets or not? Every IP contain 4 octets or not? It is a class or B class or C class or D class, whatever it may be the class. Every IP contain 4 octets. To recognize which class, you will see the first octet. But when you say IP, 4 octets you have to see. See, for listen, to identify which class, then you have to see first octet. But when you say IP, all bits you have to see, na? IP means 32 bits. Is it A class or B class or C class or D class, E class? It doesn't matter which class. When you say IP, 32 bits. How many A class people in the A class? First bit is fixed 0. In the B class, first 2 people are fixed 1 0. Fixed means one choice. Fixed people, one choice. In the class C, class C, 3 people fixed. Fixed people cannot change. Other people will change. Every IP contains 32 bits. Is it class A or class B? It doesn't matter. Every IP required 32 bits. But in those 32, how many people are fixed? How many people are variable? If it is a variable, everyone 2 choices. See, here 31 people can vary, but this is fixed part. It is the fixed part, it is the variable part. He can vary. This is the fixed part. Fixed part is one way. This is vary. It can vary. How many ways it can vary? Everyone 2 choices, 30 times 2 power 30. Here fixed part. Fixed part means one way. But here 29 people can vary. Everywhere 2 choices, 29 times 2 power 29. Here fixed part, 4 people are fixed. 28 people can vary. So 2 power 28 IP addresses. Here 4 people fixed. 28 people are keep on varying. So 2 power 28 IP addresses. Exactly. Because in the D class also 4 people fixed. In the E class also 4 people fixed. Both D and E, both are 2 power 28. Because if you want, you can verify. See, if you want, you can verify. If you want, you can verify. See, in the D also 4 people fixed. In the E also 4 people fixed. Right? That is the reason. Now see the answer. Interesting. Listen. Now see the answer. Interesting. A class people 2 power 31. Can you see this one? A class people 2 power 31 IP addresses. Can you see the B class 2 power 30? Can you see the C class 2 power 29? Can you see the D class 2 power 28? Can you see the E class 2 power 28? Now let me add this one. Everything I will write in terms of 2 power 28. It is a 2 cube into 2 power 28. It is a 2 square into 2 power 28. It is a 2 into 2 power 28. It is a 1 into 2 power 28. It is 1 into 2 power 28. Yeah, 2 power 28 common. 2 power 28 common. From the first one, 2 cube left out. From the second one, 2 square left out. From the third one, 2 left out. From here, 1 left out. From here, 1 left out. Can you count total? It is a 8. It is a 4. It is a 2. It is a 1, 1. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. This can be written as 2 power 28 into 16. This can be written as 2 power 28 into 2 power 4, which is equal to 2 power 32. Can you help me now? All total came or not? All total came or not? If you add all of them, total IP addresses are 2 power 32. Total IP addresses are 2 power 32. Add all of them. Add all of them. Add all of them. You will get 2 power 32 again. Everyone add. Everyone add. 2 power 31, 2 power 30, 2 power 29, 2 power 28, 2 power 28. Add everything. Add everything. It will become 2 power 32. Total K. See, fixed part cannot give anything. Variable part only can give. Fixed part cannot give anything. Variable part only will give. In the case of A class, 1 bit fixed. In the case of A class, 1 bit fixed. From the 32, remove 1 bit. 1 bit fixed. From the 32, remove 1 bit. So to 31. In the B class, 2 bits fixed. From 32, remove 2. So 30. In the C class, 3 bits fixed. From the 32, remove 3, 29. In the D class, 4 bits fixed. So from the 32, remove 4, 28. In the E class, 4 bits are fixed. From the 32, remove 4, 28. In exam they will ask you. Total IP addresses how many? 2 power 32. In that class C is how many? In that class C is how many? In that class D is how many? In that class A is how many? Class B is how many? He will ask whatever you want. Some people are asking, sir, A class or B class or C class, I have to see only first octet. True. By seeing first octet, you will say it belongs to which class? By seeing the first octet, you will say it belongs to which IP contain 32 bits. Is it A class or B class or C class? Every IP contains 32 bits. Fine. Is it okay? Is it okay? Can we move further? Can we move further? Make it fast. Can we move further? अरे बोल दो यार, बोलो यार. Can we move further? Yeah, if you comfortable this story, listen, until now you really done nice work. Right? Fine. Now observe properly. Listen, observe properly. So until now you really done nice work. See the interesting story. One more small story starting. Indirectly, directly, these only. Everyone listen. One more different way. One more small story going on. Can you catch that also? See this one, A class. Or class A, whatever you can call it as A class. So A class contain 32 bits, okay. Listen, A class contain 32 bits, okay. B class also contain 32 bits, that is also okay. Everyone listen. C class also contain 32 bits, that is also fine. See one more.